Alright, today I show you how to use the awesome library Faker to improve your Appium or Selenium Java project. What is Faker? Faker is a library where you can request different words, you can request poems, names, email addresses. There are many possibilities. Advantage is you don't need to write text strings by yourself, you just can request them from a library, and they are kind of pseudo-random. So you will get every time a different word, different combination, and that brings also in some nice randomness for your tests. Let's have a closer look. First, you actually would need to add the dependency in your POM file, which you can find in the root folder of your project. And then I press load Maven changes, and the dependency just telling the group ID, artifact ID, and the version. Once that is done, you can then create your test, and for the input you initialize Faker, and then from there you can request many different words. For example, let's check internet, what we have there. You can get the save email address and you can save it then in a string, but there are really many different options available. Let's see what we have else. So my test is searching and then checking again on the UI, and as an input we use the hipster word from Faker. Let's execute the test. Opens the search engine, then it will enter the word, and once the result page is loaded, it will then check if the first result actually was showing that, which was the case. So why do we actually use Faker in this example? Because we would have other options as well. For example, here I have hard-coded the input as X, but the issue with that is you always will run the test against the same words. You don't really test edge cases, which you might cover with the Faker library. Imagine you run it every day in the CI system. Why not trying different combinations of words? Another possibility would be actually to use a completely random string, but the problem with that is the strings are not really readable. Excellent, that's it. So have fun with Faker.